Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how I stitch a lehenga or skirt for myself with a georgette sari. In the end of the video I will show you how does it look after wearing. So let's get started. First I will cut the plain part of the sari which I will use to make choli later. Now I will remove 2 meters of fabric from the rest of the sari which I will use to make a skirt or a lehenga. Now just double fold the fabric. After that, fold it one more time. Now we will measure the length of the skirt, which is 40 inches, and mark it. Now we will mark the size of the waist. My waist is 30 inches and I will take 1/4 of the waist, which is 7.5 inches. We are not using any zipper or elastic in the belt, so we will take 1.5 inches extra so that we can wear the skirt easily. Now we will draw a diagonal line from the waist to the bottom of the skirt corner. We take 1 inch seam allowance. Now we cut it. Now we take 2 meters of lining. We will keep the main skirt over it and cut it out. Now we will take the belt fabric out of the plain cloth we took for the choli. I take 4-inch length and take 36-inch width of the waist and will keep 1 inch extra on both sides and cut it out. A little fabric was left. For that I will take out some fabric from the rest. Now we will keep it together and stitch it in 1/2 inch. Now keep one lining skirt on the right side and put the skirt over it on the wrong side and then sew it from both the sides. We will do the same thing in the main skirt. We stitch it from both the sides. Your lining skirt should be 2 inches shorter than the main skirt. Now we will fold the skirt hem in 1 inch and stitch it. We also cut the belt of the skirt from the lining. Now you can stitch both of them together. Now we will put the lining skirt inside the main skirt. Then we will stitch all around. You can see that I have left half inch on one side to attach belt. Now I will put out the 1 inch extra we had left in the belt and stitch it to the skirt. Now we will stitch in half inch. In the belt we had left 1 inch. Now we fold it in half inch twice and give a straight stitch. Now we will fold half inch from the top and attach it to the belt. Now I will put the latkan dori in the belt. I have also put the video of making this latkan dori in my channel. You can go and see. You can see this beautiful lehenga is ready. Now you can see how beautiful does it look after wearing. I hope you liked my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thank you.